Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about ATM.Day. Before we start, I just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here is only for entertainment and education purposes. So ATM.Day, this website was brought into my attention a few days ago. This is not a sponsor video, okay? I got this referral link down inside the description of this video, so if you're gonna use it, you're gonna get yourself a nice deal when it comes to to the access, right? So I'll be covering those ATM.Day, this website ATM.Day, I believe so, in another few videos, okay, because I found it quite interesting and I want to get more in depth inside this functionality of this platform, okay? So what it does basically, okay, is giving you the information on any sort of a new meme coin, which according to their algorithm is quite interesting and has some sort of potential, right? So here, for example, you see that 64% chance of this coin to as a future pump expectation, okay? And how they actually establishing this? So we analyze the expectations of professional traders and market insiders with a sentiment database on 20,000 consistently profitable wallets and 30 plus other metrics, okay? So I have here their documentation. So I haven't read it through all together, but I'm trying to get inside this documentation in as much details as possible, and I will be sharing more information about this product with you guys in the future videos, all right? So but in a nutshell, okay, I just want to make this one very quick, okay? So for example, this coin just popped up a few minutes ago, right? So what we can do, we can go ahead and copy the address of this one. We can go to Axiom, for example, and the Axiom GMGN, whichever you prefer, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just I just want to go and remove all the features, okay? So reset all the features, all right? So everything will be there. Okay, I'm just chasing the launcher coin, okay? Those coins which appeared on launcher coin, okay? But this one, okay, ATM.Day, they actually covered also the pump fund, the other coins, right? So I think that will be quite interesting to know which coins actually just basically which coins they have a good chance of performing, right? So those coins actually usually the ones which they are showing here, okay, they most likely they ended up here on the migrated side, okay? So from time to time, obviously you can see them all on the other ones, right? So but the thing is, like, on the final stretch, new person not so often, mostly on the migrator, okay? But this one, for example, it says that the market cap call, okay, it was on the 119,000, right? So let's go ahead and just quickly see. Obviously you can keep an eye on them, okay, because why they're actually expecting this coin to go up, right? They have 64% expectation, okay? So volume, right, in an hour, 460,000, okay, launched 56 minutes ago, okay, 58 wallets in, 54 wallets out, okay, 64 million tokens bought, 23 million sold, okay, volumes and everything else is there, right? So they basically do some algorithm, they have their algorithm inside this inside the platform, and they actually establishing based on their algorithm, okay, and based on those 20,000 consistently profitable wallets, and it's a golden nugget that every coin from here will be profitable. It's not like that, right? But some of them, they might be profitable, okay? For example, let's go ahead and just check this one, okay? So future pump expectation. This one had 83, so you never know, okay, what will happen with those coins, right? So let's go ahead and check this one, right? So this coin, look, this coin is quite actually interesting, okay? Like 6.3 million, right? So this coin is actually the market cap 6.3, okay, liquidity, volume 4 days ago, okay? So this coin was called 4 days, it was called 4 days ago, okay? And that's still on the trending token scan, right? And has 83% of this future pump expectation, okay? PTMI, right? 20,000 plus professional traders and market insiders, right? So and 37 of those, okay, they're actually inside this coin, right? So that's why actually they're establishing which coin might go up, which might go down, okay. OG Algo Stats, okay, discovered 45 tokens with ROI at the all-time high, more than 10%, 32 maximum ROI 3.89k percentage, right? And this is something which between 8 of, for example, data from 8 of April all the way to the 1st of June, right? So that's their stats, right? So you can go ahead and check their stats. For example, from the 1st of June, okay, this is those coins are actually ROI, return on investment for so for example, this coin one day ago, okay, it got 2.98k percentage, nearly 2%, 2000%, 1000%, okay. So, like for example, here nearly 8x, right? So this is something which is quite interesting. Okay, you need to get you also need to do your own research. Obviously, it is not like you could just jump on the coin and make yourself like, okay, I'm gonna be rich because I just jumped in that call. I should be grand. Okay, no, you still have to do your own research. But those guys actually giving you additional advantage. Okay, what type of advantage? Okay, because they actually have this algorithm. Okay, 30 plus other metrics plus 20,000 consistently profitable wallets. Okay, they put everything all together. Okay, and by following their data, okay, you have a good chance to actually find some winners, right? So, for example, they also have a pump farm algo, okay, and that one is on the Telegram, right? I'll be showing that one for you guys in the next videos, right? So those stats also here, right? You can see recently graduated, right, and everything is there. I think those information is quite cool, right? Graduations rate 42.79 percentage point, okay, and that's something which this is some of those data informations are really cool. Like it's nice to have it, like so it's something which you might consider to go ahead and check it out, right? So here you go. That's $230 a month. This is the way how they charging you, right? So this is the way how they charging you. Obviously, when you go for 3 months, you'll be paying only for 2, right? So and for lifetime, obviously lifetime is much more expensive. But look, if you know how to use this tool profitable way, it might be worth it. Okay, it's really up to yourself, guys. Really up to yourself, right? So here you go. That's what the ATM algo stats, right? Okay? ATM algorithm discover tokens through market insider activity, analyzing data from 20 plus thousand professional traders and 30 plus other indicators. Okay, so OG algo, okay, discovers 72 mid-cap tokens a day, ranging from 100k to 2 million, with 80% win rate. Okay, so tokens a day, 72. Okay, average return on investment to 80 all-time high 190. Okay, so near 2x, right? And win rate 80% plus, okay? And here on the Pump Fund algo, right? Spots token before they migrated to Pump Swap, under 52k, market cap 100x every day, right? There you go. Tokens a day around 122, average discovery market cap 32.4k, and graduation rate 49.9%, right? So there you go. As we all know, what they need to hit. They need to hit around 52,000, to be graduated on Pump Fund. But here they managed to actually find something which is under this amount, okay, and nearly 50% of those coins will go graduate. Okay, I think those type of informations are golden, right? So if you know how to use them, I think absolutely amazing. Okay, so guys, yeah, I don't want to go through this documentation at the moment, which I'll be going through some of those points maybe in the future videos. But I just want to get and read them through properly first myself. Then I'll just want to go and use that basically. I just want to use the ATM.Day and see what the actual stats will be on there under the coins which I'll be choosing from the list, right? So I want to share this experience with you guys. So yeah, if you want to see and follow along, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and watch my future videos. Okay. In the meantime, I just want to say thank you for watching and have a good day.